In addition to the built-in palette categories, you can create other categories to organize palette items. To do so, let's go and copy a folder that I had created for an earlier example video. Then let's go to program files, then National Instruments, then LabVIEW version that you are using, then go to the menus folder. Here you will find two more folders of interest. One is categories, and whatever you place inside this folder goes into your functions palette, and the other one is controls. So as you must have guessed, whatever you place inside that folder goes into your controls palette. In the categories folder, you can place VIs, functions, libraries, and .mnu files. While in the category folder, controls folder, you can place controls and .mnu files. Note, do not copy the dir.mnu file into the category folder. When you add a category, LabVIEW creates a dir.mnu file if needed. So let's copy our folder in both these folders: categories for functions palette and controls for controls palette. Now we would have to, if we create a new VI and we right click on the front panel or on the block diagram, so those added palettes would not be visible. You would have to restart the VI, or you can use this function called refresh palettes. Let's call it once. And once this function has run, meaning that your palettes are now being reread, refreshed by the LabVIEW. Now when you right click on the block diagram, you would see the folder and its contents that we placed in the menus folder, and on the front panel we would see any controls that folder contained, and we can just use them. So hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.
Hello there. Thanks for the visit. I enjoyed your company, so keep visiting. But before you go, please share this video with your social network. Help spread the word. I really appreciate your support. And don't forget to subscribe. I would like to see you again. Keep visiting for more LabVIEW related videos. Videos are regularly being uploaded every day. You might not want to miss out on them. It takes lots of time, effort and dedication to create these videos. Any support and help this channel can get would be great. Help this channel survive and thrive. Bye and a great day to you.